Hi children, welcome to online class. How are you all? I think all are fine and safe. Okay, let us get into the subject. Today we shall have class for 7th standard English, the poem Self-Reliance. You can see on the screen, this poem is written by the poet Kathleen Delicato. Pre-reading activity. So, here we can see children, many factors help a person to attain success. Complete the chart by bubbles with the factors which help you make your life meaningful. There you can see some of the sentences that you can fill. First one is, to win in life we have to be self-confident, means self-confidence. Next one is hard work. And third one is self-reliance. And next is generosity. And next, self-sacrifice. And next is contentment and self-discipline. These are the good qualities we shall have in our life to be successful. Okay? This poem tells you how self-reliance helps a person to win in life. The poet wants to depend upon herself even if she fails sometimes. She says that she can ask others for their opinion, but ultimately it is her self-confidence which helps her to take the royal road to success. It means we should have confidence in ourselves. If we want to achieve anything in our life, we should have confidence in ourselves. Then, if not, sometimes we may need help of others to get success. At that time, we can ask the opinion of others. So, now we will see the poem lines. This poem is for memorization, children. Better to copy. The poem lines will be scrolling on the board, so you can copy at the same time. I realize now that I am alone. On myself I must learn to rely. That what is this? What it means? I am realizing that now I am alone we are all came alone in this life. So, if we want to achieve anything in our life, we should have trust in our life to attain our goal. So, I have to begin to stand on my own. Even a person grows for a higher and higher position also, he must learn to stand on his own feet. If I fail, I must continue to try. If we fail in one attempt or two attempts, we should not leave our confidence. We should try until we reach our goal. I can ask others for their opinion. If we are getting some confusions, if we did not get a right way to lead in our life, so we can ask others' opinion. Opinion means suggestions. But ultimately, it's I who will decide. I'll be the ruler of my dominion. Ruler of my dominion means, children, we are the king or queen of our dominion. Dominion means, you can see the meaning there, territory with one ruler. We are the ruler of our life. Determining which road I'll take with pride. We have to decide which road leads us to the success. Based upon that, we have to choose the way. Though some may disagree with my choices, thinking they know a better path to take. Even in that path, some are not liking with our opinions. But no problem. They are thinking that they know a better path to take. Their ideas are better than us. Though people in abuse raise their voices. They'll be abusing means criticizing our ideas and ways. It's up to me, my destiny to make. By being true to myself, I begin. But even though we should not leave our self-confidence, we learn to walk in the way that which we already fixed in our mind, and we should always try to, first we should have confidence in ourselves. Based upon that only, based upon the truth and being bold and generous, we have to begin that work to learn how to stand alone, how to win. In that way only we are standing alone and we are getting goal based upon our goals and ideas. What are the things we want to achieve as a human being? Many are having goals in our life to be successful, but the ways will be different. No problem. So better to think by ourselves. If we are in confusion, so we can take others' opinion to be successful in our life. So, I want to read meanings for you children. Rely, trust or have faith. Dominion, territory with one ruler. Determine, decide. Path, route, course of action. abuse, unkind, cruel words. Destiny, fate. Children, I want you all to copy this poem and learn and practice it in your regular reading hours. Okay, children? Take care. In next class, you are going to have notes regarding this poem. Thank you, children.